Brooke, how are you feeling?
Hey, here in just a few hours, we're gonna be getting married, but we get to see each other all dressed up and fancy and pretty and beautified. So I'm looking forward to getting to see you for the first time.
Hi, Austin. I can't wait to see you, and I can't wait to marry you.
I love you.
Hi, Mitch.
Oh, is that? Yep, we're feeling good, right?
Feeling good? Right.
Right.
I promise to do everything I can to grow this home with you. I vow to always be here for you. I promise to continue to be silly and romantic. I promise to always be patient, protective, and safe for the home we build. I can't promise to always get it right, but I can vow to always try. Finally, I promise that I will always love you.
You take such good care of me. And you and your big heart inspire me to be a better person every day. We are to give each other support, kindness, and love. So instead of making a new list of commitments today, I promise to keep loving you forever. I promise to keep dreaming and building our future.
Okay, now kiss the bride.
Oh.